Hello everyone, this is Shubhadi from Seven Books Academy, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use Ubersuggest to find out backlink profile of your competitors. So this is our client website, that's AstroShiba Online, and this is our two competitors, that is AstroTalk. Another one is StarStell.com. So we need to find out from where these two websites are getting backlinks, where our client is not getting backlink. So let's see how you can do that. So let's open Ubersuggest here, and on Ubersuggest you will see this tool called backlink, and under backlink you will click on backlink opportunities. So this is where you will first give the domain of your website. So this is my website, so I'm gonna give my domain here. So it is saying enter domain of your site, and next you're gonna give the domain of your competitors. So this is our competitor, that is AstroTalk. So I'm gonna give my domain here, click on the plus icon, and let's give another one, that is star still. So let's give this one also, and click on the plus icon. Now just click on search and watch, just watch the magic happens. So it will find you a list of websites from where your competitors are getting backlink, but you are not getting backlink. So you can go to all these websites and start creating backlink for your clients. So as you see, uh, all these websites, my competitor is getting backlink. So as I can see, apple.com, my competitor is getting backlink from Apple. So if you want to see like from which page they are getting the backlink from, if you click on this top backlink, this one, so see, they're getting backlink from the Apple App Store. So basically they have the app uploaded on Apple App Store, and they're getting a backlink from there. So now if you have a app, if your client also has an app, you can upload it on App Store and you can get a backlink from app directly from Apple. So like this, you can keep checking all the websites from where they're getting backlink. Like I see they're getting a backlink from issue.com, and I'm not getting a backlink from there. So if I click this here, so if I click this one, so see issue.com, startstill.com. So they have made a profile here and they're getting a backlink from here. So like this, you can keep checking all the backlinks. So if you want to download all this domain in a Excel sheet, you can just select all the domains and click on export to CBC and just click on export all. So it will take a couple of seconds and it will download all this website in a Excel file, which you can use to start making backlink for your client. So let's just open this Excel sheet. Okay, there you go. So you see it has downloaded all the website, and it has also given you like which website links to which of your competitors. So you can start going to all these websites and start creating backlink for your client. So I hope you found this video useful. This will definitely help you improve your off-page SEO for your client, and also when you are doing SEO at your work. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome videos like this. Thank you everyone.